Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you exactly how to delete a chat on Google Chat using your PC after the new update. If you're someone who wants to clean up your conversations and keep your account organized, this quick walkthrough is all you need. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open your browser and go to Google's homepage. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen. Right next to your profile photo, you'll see 9 small dots arranged in a square. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots, and from the list that appears, select Chat. This will take you directly to Google Chat. Once you're in Google Chat, all your recent chats and group messages appear on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, find the chat or conversation that you want to delete. When you hover over it, you'll see 3 vertical dots appear next to that chat. Click on those 3 dots to open the Options menu. From this menu, select Delete Conversation. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete it. Before you confirm, remember that deleting a conversation means it will be permanently removed from your Google Chat history. This action can't be undone, so make sure you're deleting the right one. Once you're ready, click Delete Again to confirm your choice. And that's it. The conversation will instantly disappear from your list. You've successfully deleted a chat on Google Chat using your PC. This update makes the process quicker and more user-friendly than before, giving you better control over your chat history. Whether you're clearing a cluttered inbox or removing old messages you no longer need, keeping your chats organized helps maintain a cleaner, more efficient workspace. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to tidy up your Google Chat right now. It only takes a few clicks to keep your account neat and distraction-free. Thanks for watching.